Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date if you please. Back our class, I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had. I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you when you are not the one in your way? I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you when you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I say, I'm a pretty boss, we're gonna mash your brain twice. I'm a freak in the sheets, back our class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. Feel the shock waves. Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you when you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I say, I'm a pretty boss, we're gonna mash your brain twice. I'm a freak in the sheets, back our class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you. Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Good morning. Let's analyze Nifty. When looking at Nifty on the weekly chart, it has made three consecutive green candles and it is increasing in size. That means it's quite bullish. Either we can expect a very big green candle, but most probably what I'm expecting is a doji candle. Either a doji candle on a weekly basis or a red candle. Now, this week, tomorrow is a holiday. That means anything that we do on expiry, Finnifty expiry instead of Tuesday will be Monday, today itself. And Banknifty expiry, which is on Wednesday, but this is a monthly expiry, so it will be on Thursday. This week we have expiry today and on Thursday, Nifty and Banknifty. Keeping that in mind, if you go to the daily chart now, Nifty daily chart, the way the market is going, I see that today the resistance can be at 20,260 levels. Today, the resistance on 16th September, what is it? Today on 18th September, the resistance looks like it can go up to 20,260 levels. That is my expectation. And after that, I can expect that there will be a fall and probably it can make into a red candle. Let's look at a 15-minute time frame. Okay, on a 15-minute time frame, we have a support over here. There is a support zone at 20,150 to 140 levels. Upside, we said that 20,260 is a resistance. As the market opening? It's opening almost flat, 0.10% down. Based on what the market has done previously, it has not filled this gap. So it is quite possible that it can come to fill the gap. Let's look at the daily chart again. The previous gap that was formed, every time it has filled it. When the other gap was formed and it was partially filled, this time also it is partially filled, closing to opening. Okay. That's one possibility, but we'll not play for that. Definitely not play for a gap fill. Market closed at the highest point of Thursday. That was the resistance, and then it is played around that level and closed exactly at that level. This line is important. It looks like a make or break level. 50. Closing price of market is a very important line. Okay. Looks like a make or break level. Already marked this zone. I think we're good for today. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty weekly chart. Bank Nifty has already done 4 weeks of bullishness with a big green candle reaching at the resistance level. It is exactly at the resistance level right now. The daily time frame. So it will want to make an all-time high. Definitely we want to go for all-time high. 46,369 can easily be broken today. Day on 18 September, opening is somewhere around 46,100. You can easily go till 46,400. Take resistance over there, make an all-time new high, and then it can fall a little bit. On the 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has a resistance at 46311, which it can break. But on the downside, there is a support at 45,000. Sorry, 46,000. There is a support at 46,000. So looking at the support at 46,000, resistance at 46,309 and 46,400. That is the plan for Bank Nifty. Okay. Market opening is done. It has opened the gap down, 46,100 on Bank Nifty and 20,155 on Nifty. Just want to recap the levels. Bank Nifty 46,312 and 47,400 are the levels as resistance today. 46,312, 46,400. The support the Bank Nifty has is at 46,000. Then directly at 45,830. When we look at the support on Nifty, we moved on the zone. The zone is at 20,140 to 145. We can say around 140, 145. Yeah. Support is at 20,145. Then the next support is directly at 20,100, 100, which was the level that we were fighting for on Friday. It was a good fight at this level between the bulls and the bears. So we are ready for the market opening. After this fall, took a pause. Now again there is a gap down opening. The gap down opening is right at the support zone, support area. 145 is a support, so it can still fall a little bit. Then in this support area, 20,145. Okay, so let's wait. Let's look at the call and put also. Let me remove all the unnecessary ones. Nifty is 20,500 put and 20,500 call. What will be interested? This is for Finnifty. That is today's expiry. Nifty, I'm going to use Nifty. We are going to directly go for the monthly one. We will not put anything for this week. Directly go for the monthly. The 20,000 P is perfect. I'm going to take a look at the C. 20,000 C. Okay. 20,400. We got on Nifty call and put. Now for the Banknifty. 46,100. Again, next week expiry. $45,700, and on the call side, 46,500. Perfect. It's sustaining the fall as of now. But it has kept open equal to high. Then it can come down. 3,100 is maybe a possible target. Fill the gap. Nifty looks like a good opportunity. We'll wait for a little. Banknifty support is another 100 points down. The support is another 20 points down, 50 points down. There's still space. You can wait. Taking support at the first level that we said, the zone. The next level is directly at 101. And Nifty does take a turn to the right level. Yes. Okay. Going into the call side. Take an entry into the call side. Let's look at the 15-minute chart just to get clarity. Price downside possible, but we have a strict stop loss, so we will be following it. So it's a big candle, so it might have a pullback to a better end. $190 should be a good stop loss soon. In Bank Nifty, normally a 40-point stop loss is good enough. The put side, it has tested the VWAP and then come down. Thank you very much. Target for this is at least 275. we call second time. Lot of wicks on the lower side is a good sign. This kind of taken support in this zone that we had marked. But the make or break level that we marked, the 20,168, which was yesterday's closing, this level is important for it to cross. It can go till there just to fill the gap, but after that, crossing that level is more important for Nifty in order to go till 20,260. Now it's time to just patiently wait for the target to come. Is zone from 120 to 168, 170. 50-point zone is what is the most difficult for it to be. The downside also, the upside also. And Nifty, when Nifty has scope on the downside, so seems 46,030 and 20 can possibly. There's a lot of rejection at this level. It can possibly go down till 190 level that we have marked. Interesting is Finnifty since morning has not given any pain to call weight. It is expiry. The put side been one-sided going. If you look at the chart of Finnifty, let's put up Finnifty also. What is it trying to head toward? Consecutively, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 red candles, 30 minutes, and then last week's this fall that started at this double top. If this candle is closing, the double top is confirmed. Beyond this, it can fall all the way till 20,390. There's going to be a good fight because Fin Nifty is trying to go down and it will pull Bank Nifty down, which in turn can keep Nifty, avoid Nifty from going up. Change the Fin Nifty one because it's 1,400. Any bounce in this around 70, 71? Not a good trade. Let it fall down further. Next week, Bank Nifty call that we have taken is little safe, going down slowly. In Nifty, because it is expiry today, आज इसका डीके ज्यादा है, टाइम डीके will fall even faster. Nifty 20,400 fall. There's a small scalping trade more than that. Put side is definitely stronger trade, but it is not giving an opportunity to enter. Not giving a pullback. Nothing so far. An opportunity can come on the put side. We'll wait. If it goes up a little bit and then again it comes down, there'll be a good opportunity. As of now, nothing has come. We're not taking any trade on the put side. Let's look at the weekly chart. Can open equal to high candle, just like this, and go all the way down till here. Test this support again. This is a good fall. The next super trend is definitely worth taking. This is at level. But the super trend target doesn't look much big of a target as of now, but yes, it can slowly go into it. Wait for it. Huge gap. Why? Candle is missing. 942 candle is missing. So we are on the call side, clearly on the call side. Yes, the call side is moving, especially the Finnifty is moving very well. Then we'll take the second one. There's still some space. Banknifty is back to the cost level, not at an stop loss. Let's see the put. If the put is giving any chance to enter, shall we enter or not? We'll check down there. As of now, there is no entry any of the puts. There is a possibility in Nifty, but whether we will take it or not, it all depends on one thing. No, we'll not be taking it. Was not able to cross this level, will not be taking it. Even if put is coming down, I'm not planning to take. Is it possible it can fall today? Yes. If it does, we have a stop loss. Nifty already I've taken a trade. The trade is over, but the main trade is in Banknifty, where there is a stop loss in place. Stop loss is much lower than today's low. So even if it gives one more dip, I'm okay with that. Like I told you in the last week, जब ये bottom touch होता है दोनों, you have to wait for at least 1 hour. 9:19, that means another 1 hour, 10:19, 10:20, approximately till 10:40. That means might have to. That is going to be all the way till 10:20 to 10:40. There's still some time. Expected Nifty is, I think, between the same levels that we said sideways. 170. This is the key level. 170 has to be broken properly. If it breaks this, then the game is on the upside. Finnifty made a move till the VWAP, crossed it, came down. Again, Finnifty might have a chance to go down. But we are out of this trade. It was a small scalping trade that is done. In focuses on Banknifty. Finnifty can also go up, no doubt. But because it's expiry today, not holding any trade for long, don't want to take expiry trades today. Can go much bigger, 110 तक जा सकता है. But I'm not in the mood to take that. I will be focusing on next week's Bank Nifty call. It will go slowly, it will go steadily. That is fine. We can do bigger quantity in the next week trade. In the today's trade, we can't do big quantity because we can't risk all our money. अगर समझो मैंने यहाँ पे बड़ा quantity ले लिया, full amount लगा दिया, it can definitely become zero in one single day. इतना बड़ा risk कभी भी अपने capital के साथ नहीं लेना है. Because 10 days you will be successful and one such day you take, आपका सब पैसा एक ही दिन में चला जाएगा. तो same day expiry में you can trade but very small capital, thinking that वो capital zero हो सकता है. Because the put side is not giving any chance, so we are still 50 put में there is this gap definitely, but I would really loved if it was able to cross this level. Why is it not able to cross this level? That is concerning. Plus Nifty is going about a 170. It is clearly about a 170 mark, the make or break level. So that means put side पे अभी तो फिलहाल कुछ नहीं. Only thing that can come is this 36%, 61% golden ratio. Somewhere around this 180. ठीक है. That is also good. Based on last week's performance, I did a lot of back testing on all the strategies for the last week data. It was a very good solution learning from. Captured everything into an Excel file with the buying time, buying date, buying quantity, selling dates, and the results were good. Expected, not much. Look at except for this 170 level should not be. There's still 1 minute left for this candle to close. If it closes below 170, that's over for Nifty. Then we can look at the put. The Nifty में put side में there is an opportunity. It just come down. So it could have bounced to आना ही. Maybe did beware. But we are not going to play for the bounce. Playing for bigger trade. So focusing on expected. Bounce is coming on the put side. AI and Nifty. Okay, let me look at the chart. AI, only in SE. The volume in this 521,000 did go up or collapse. Is again this. This is definitely an operate item. So whoever has given you this is inside information. Don't want to deal with that. Otherwise, from the chart point of view, this resistance is important to break. If it breaks it, then we can expect a target of 1000, but it has to break 681 first, quite far away. This volume was good out of this candle. That's it. That's only the good day. Yes, it did close. I told you 168 level difficult. It did go all the way above 183. That is the golden ratio of this fall. 1% replacement. From there, it has taken rejection, coming down. The main thing is this area, 8 to 72 zone, which who is going to conquer this? Because if it gets thrown down, then it will come all the way down again. If it doesn't and sustains, then the price will continue forward and it can go up and make a new high as well. Bank Nifty does not have much strength compared to Nifty today. Nifty is in a stronger strength. Reason being, tomorrow, working day is not there. You have a holiday. The next working day is on Wednesday, which is the expiry. Bank Nifty expiry is also on 28th. That was it. Bank Nifty is not going as strong as Nifty upside. Although Bank Nifty is the one which really wants to go faster because it wants to make a new high. Nifty, if you see, has already made a new high. Nifty is already making new highs, new high, new high, new high. Whereas Bank Nifty is struggling to make a new high, so it will definitely want to go and make a new high over here. Even the weekly chart of Bank Nifty is much stronger. It has been going very strongly with the intention to make a new, not with the intention to make a double top, for sure. Even if it wants to make a double top, it will make a little higher top, a little higher M formation than this one. So we are expecting 46,400 at least to come over here. Then we'll see. It is just at the same level where we bought. Can take time. You mark the levels. This is the time. So it will definitely take some time. Anybody wants to do scalping over here can do keep doing scalping. But today I'm not doing any scalping. It's coming down again. It was a good decision not to enter into the Nifty put based on this gap. Did go up a little bit, but did not sustain. It comes all the way down, then we might think again. Banknifty put is not coming down. They are working opposite to each other. So my expectation of a doji candle today looks possible. Then Nifty put going up, Nifty put going down. That is how they are working today. They are pulling each other in the opposite direction. Means today big move cannot be expected. You can keep some short targets. Whatever move will come tomorrow. That is on Wednesday. Today my goal is that I'll be closing the swing after this one trade. One trade will be the first and last trade. Is the Nifty. I've done one scalping trade in Finnifty, which we did over here. There was a small scalping trade of 5-6 points. But this point is the one where we are either expecting this target or we are expecting this stop loss. Whichever gets hit, that will be the time will close the swing. Can take one full day. In fact, this target can come much later. Or can come down. Over. The next super trend that comes in Nifty put is what I am taking. One super trend has failed. Second one is about to fail. If it fails, then the next one I will be taking on the Nifty put. This one can fail. On the another put, they're still not reached. There's still space for it to come down. It will come down. Okay, I've given the levels to you of what trade I've taken. 277 on the upside as the target, 190 on the downside as what I've taken as a stop loss. Closing basis on a 1 minute candle. Whichever hits, I'll exit. This is my trade that I've taken currently. And with that, I will closing the live stream right now. As the market seems to be in a sideways till 10:40, possibly the trade can come. If not, then it will be in a very longer sideways full day. There's no point waiting for it. As I said, Nifty second, but then also failed. The next one that comes, next super trend on the upside, is what I can consider taking for put. Wait for one more candle. Is it the ideal one? No, not at all. Okay. Not the ideal. It's still there's still space left. Thank you. I will start again in the afternoon. If there is any trades that I see, I'll start again. This is the current trade that I've taken, and I will again start streaming again in the afternoon if there are any other options available. Thank you so much.